Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Trendy Gadgets. Number 1. Use video call effects. On the Galaxy S23 series, you can use various effects to improve your video calling experience further. This includes the ability to blur backgrounds, use a custom background image auto-framing so you're always in focus, and more. The best part about the feature is that it does not require your video calling app to support these features specifically. Video call effects on the Galaxy S23 work with most of the popular video calling and messaging apps, including WhatsApp, Google Meet, and Skype. You can enable video call effects by going to Settings, Advanced Features, and enabling the toggle for video call effects. From the menu here, you can specify the background color or add a custom background image to use. A list of all the installed video calling apps on your phone that support video call effects is also displayed at the bottom. The other remaining video call effects can only be triggered when you are on a video call. An effects button will pop up when on calls, from where you can blur your background, block background noise, and more. Number 2. Protect your phone's battery. The entire Galaxy S23 lineup offers stellar battery life thanks to efficiency improvements and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. These phones can easily last more than a day on a single charge. This also means you don't always have to charge your Galaxy S23's battery fully. It will still make it through your average workday with around 70 to 80% juice in the tank. You can take advantage of the excellent battery life to increase the lifespan of your phone cell by limiting its charge to 85%. Number 3. Stack widgets on the home screen. Like on iPhones, you can stack widgets on top of each other on your Galaxy S23's home screen. By stacking widgets, you can have many of them on your primary home screen without occupying all the space. Long press on an empty area of your Galaxy S23's home screen and select widgets from the bottom action panel that appears. Proceed to add a widget to your home screen. Long press on the added widget and select Create Stack. Now select the widget you want to stack on top of the existing widget and hit Add. You can switch between the stacked widgets by swifting left or right on them. Do note that the stacked widgets must be of the same size. If not, they will be resized to match the size of the first widget. The One UI launcher will automatically rotate between the stacked widgets depending on the time of the day to show you the most relevant information. You can customize a widget stack by long pressing on it. Number 4. Answer calls with Bixby Text Call. Taking a page from the Google Pixel book, Samsung offers a handy Bixby Text Call feature on the Galaxy S23 series with One UI 5.1. This is just one of the many features of the Bixby, and you can do it using your phone. With Bixby Text Call, you can use the voice assistant to pick up an incoming call. Bixby will automatically transcribe what the other caller is saying. To respond, you can type out your responses so Bixby can read them to the other party on the call. This is a great feature, especially when you are busy or if you tend to receive many spam calls. Do note, the Bixby Text Call only works in English and Korean languages and is only available in certain regions. Number 5. Set up a camera shortcut. The Galaxy S23 series packs an impressive camera setup. Samsung's feature-rich camera app further complements the hardware setup with various modes and customization options. Even better, you can double-press the power button to open the camera app quickly, like on Google Pixel phones. This might not seem like a big deal, but if you use the camera app heavily, you'll find this option extremely useful. By default, the double-press action of the side button is mapped to opening Samsung Wallet. You can customize this behavior by jumping into the Settings menu. Number 6. Save photos in high format. Barring the entry-level Galaxy S23, all variants in the lineup ship with a minimum of 256GB storage. While this is a lot, this does not mean you can be reckless with how you use the phone storage. If you plan to shoot a lot of photos on the Galaxy S23, consider saving your images in the high format. Compared to JPEG, pictures in high will take up to 30 to 40% less space. This is even more important if you back up your photos to Google Photos or any other photo backup service. 7. Copy subjects from photos. Samsung has copied one of the best features of the iOS 16's photo app to the Galaxy S23. In the Samsung Gallery app, you can long press the subject in a photo to separate it from the background. You can then copy the subject, save it as a separate image, or share it directly. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.